Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to create PayPal invoice and send some another employee, customer or company owner. So how to create? It's very simple process. Let's start as a detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here PayPal account. I just simply open here. How to create PayPal account, I already make a video and link is video description. So look at this is my PayPal account. I already sign in here. If you want create invoice, so your personal account to convert as a business account, also how to create business account, I already make a video, link is description. Your account is business, so automatically here options are come, create an invoice, customer email address, item name and amount. So I just simply put it here, email address. How to create invoice? So here create invoice are available. So that point of view you need to add here customer email address, then item name, the sponsor video name and amount. I make this video using dollar price, so I put it here in the dollar USDT and put it here 55. Add more detail. If you want add more detail, so you can click here. So here edit the customer US dollar, add more detail, description. If you want add some description, so you can add it here, description. So I am put it here. I am the Research Rocks YouTuber. I make a review video regarding the mini tool movie maker. So here all details are come. So almost my bill is ready. Address, CC receipt, you can add here some CC also, owner, and then added CC also because of the company owner, company people are providing me information. So item name, video, I put it here, item name, price, tax, no tax and description. So my invoice is ready and now I just simply here date, invoice number, this is my first invoice I created here, send the invoice and now I send the invoice the particular person. It's very simple process to create invoice and send someone. If you want download the PDF format, so you just simply select this one, click here three dots and here download the PDF option and my invoice is downloadable here. It's very simple process. Then download invoice number 1. So it's very simple process to create invoice and send someone.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.